You asked for it. I heard you, and I'm going to give it to you. Many people who follow me on social media, those who follow me offline, those who've seen a workshop or seminar or webinar online know that I made over 6 figures in 4.5 months. And guys, we just been receiving so many emails and phone calls on people asking, Miss Davis, can you do a workshop? Can you do a seminar? Can you do something to show us how you earn 6 figures 4.5 months in 2018? Well, guys, we heard you, and we're going to get it done, and we got something for you that I know you don't want to miss. You want to be a part of this private boot camp that we're going to have in a beautiful mansion right here in Atlanta, Georgia. But first of all, let me go back a little bit. Last year, I have a traditional business. I'm an ex-IRS auditor. I have a tax and financial firm. But I also had some other businesses that I was supposed to be earning residual income from. Well, guys, what happened is those streams of incomes, they dried up. And pretty much, guys, I was so upset. I was so distraught. That's another story. You'll hear about that in the mansion. But I said to myself, I said, man, these other streams that I had, I was depending on these streams to be able to invest in the real estate that me and my husband is currently investing in. And so I was so upset, because I spent a lot of time, I spent a lot of energy, I spent a lot of money, I've been to a lot of workshops, a lot of seminars, and a lot of events and conference calls, and I was just so sick and tired. How many people experience that? I know that's you as well, right? Sick and tired of attending all these workshops and seminars and not seeing any results. And I said, I'm just tired of it. And I told my husband, I said, you know what, baby? We need to promote our own business. We need to gamify our business and take it to the next level. We need to learn how to put money in our pocket even when we're asleep. We need to learn how to create our own residual income. So guys, I found the mentor. I found the coach. I did exactly what he said do. And to our surprise, and let me just tell you, I lost my mom in 2017. So I was just totally distraught with that. But I said, you know what, honey, my mom will want us to go on. Let's just make this happen. And guys, within 4.5 months, I made 6 figures. So I know exactly what you're going through. Maybe you're sick and tired of worrying about money. You're sick and tired of struggling. You're sick and tired of investing money in products that do not work, services that do not work, businesses that do not work. Maybe you're stuck in your business. Maybe you're stuck at a certain income level and you're saying, Jean, what can I do to gamify, meaning take my business to another level? Can you just show us exactly what you did? Well, listen, I'm going to share with you right now the boot camp that we're going to have, guys. Is going to be November the 9th through the 11th. Okay. November the 9th really is registration for all the VIPs. The VIPs will check in because they're going to be staying at the mansion. Okay. But that's a VIP check-in on Friday, and Friday night at 7 p.m. we're going to have the VIP reception, baby, for the foods that's going to be served from our private shelf. It's just going to be so, so awesome. So Friday really is VIP check-in day. But the boot camp begins November the 10th and 11th. That's on a Saturday and Sunday. And let me go over some of the things, guys, that we're going to be covering. We're going to show you how to automate your business and earn money in your sleep. That's one of the things that I needed to do. I wanted to know how to do it, and we were able to do it. And every morning I wake up, I get an email from Stripe. Those who know about Stripe, I get an email saying how much money we earn. We're going to open up the playbook and show you our marketing strategy that brought us 6 figures in 4.5 months. We're going to show you guys how to create a winning brand, because it's not just about location anymore. It's about, can you create a brand that attract people, that make people want to invest in you? We're going to go ahead and show you how to create webinars that pay you in your sleep. We're going to explain to you the BAR system. That's business ownership, asset leveraging, royalty residual, and red hot trend. Does your business pass the bar? That's where you need to look at, because if your business does not pass the bar, I guarantee you're not making the money you want. We're going to show you how to turn your social media into a cash cow. How can you turn your social media accounts into a cash cow? We're going to show you how to do that. Most importantly, we're going to show you how to attract high paying clients that turn into repeat business. High paying clients that turn into repeat business. And then we're going to show you how to automate and generate a powerful email list that's going to pay you residual income. Guys, we got so much that we're going to be sharing with you guys, and you can find out more about this conference by simply clicking on the link below. Look at the link below, guys. Look at the details below. Then go to the website and get registered now. At the time of this video, we already have sold 5 tickets already. We only have 25 spots. Reason why we did it that way, guys, is because we want this to be an intimate event. We want to be able to get your questions answered. We want to be able to make sure that when you leave there, not only are you full from the great food from our personal shelf, but you're full from the knowledge that you're going to attain in this private boot camp. Like I said, it's only available for 25 people, and half of that is going to be staying at our mansion, and the other half, guys, will be the regular attendees. And I'm telling you right now, our elite attendees, that's what they are, the elite. So if you are an elite person and you know who you are, our elite are those who are willing to go out here and make it happen, those who don't make excuses, those that understand about investing in themselves. That's the first thing you need to do, is invest in yourself to grow your business. Another thing, as an ex-IRS auditor, I'm going to tell you that this boot camp is 100% tax deductible. So guys, listen, don't delay. Hurry up today and get registered. Not now, but right now. If you want to know how you can be in the beautiful mansion with our private shelf and also get the information, guys, you want to register. But last but not least, we're also going to go on Sunday. We're going to go indoor skydiving at iSky, guys, because we want you to let go, let God, and go out there and experience the best life ever. I want you to know right now that you can have, you can be, you can do anything. I hope to see you at our Wealth Creators Elite Boot Camp at the Private Mansion, November the 9th through the 11th. Go ahead and click on the link below for more info. My name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am your wealth creator. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at this boot camp. Thank you so much.